Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Today I have two important garden tasks to do. It is chilly out here, about 40 degrees. Temperatures dropped last night and it's about time, so I can't complain. But it really got me thinking about planting tulip bulbs. Now, I would love to just be able to throw these in the ground, have them be cold all winter, come up beautifully in the spring, but I know that I have a lot of squirrels that would love to dig these up and bunnies that will eat them right away. I have had no luck with tulips in the ground. And I tried planting them in pots one year. Unfortunately, they rotted. Even though the pots had good drainage, they were just too moist, it didn't work. So this year I'm trying another method. I'm going to take my tulip bulbs, and they need a chill time. So they have to be in that 35 to 40 degree range for a couple months at least. So I'm going to take them. I actually slit the bag so there's plenty of air in here. A dry paper bag. You want something with no holes that's going to keep the light out. And I'm just going to put them in here. So I have Angelique, which is one of my favorite beautiful pink gorgeous tulips. And then this is a new one. This is a Stella, well, new to me, Stella Regenveld, I think is how you say it. And look at this, it's like a parrot tulip with big fluffy open, oh, that's going to be so pretty. I want to plant these in planters. So first I'm going to put them in here, and we're going to have this nice dry and light proof. I'm going to give them a couple staples here just to make sure that this doesn't unravel and start letting the light in, because if the light gets in, they will start sprouting in the bag, and I don't want that. Now I'm going to take this bag and I'm just going to put it up on a shelf in the shed. It's an unheated shed, so it's going to be nice and cold, and I'm just going to leave it there for the winter. You could also put this in a refrigerator maybe, as long as it's in the dark. Still put it in your bag here to keep the light out when you open the refrigerator. Give them that nice long chill period. And then come mid-February or the very beginning of March, I'm going to take this out and plant them directly in my pots. They will have had chill time. I won't have to worry about them as much rotting through all those months sitting there in a pot, and hopefully they will come up beautifully and I will have some gorgeous tulips. Now, I love picking up more bulbs, so I probably will pick up some more and just put another bag in the shed. That will be fine, but now is the time. It's getting cold. This counts as their chill period. We have our tulips ready to go. So that was a very easy thing to do. And then the next thing I want to share with you is one more tree that I ordered from Mr. Maple, and this is Koto Maru. And Koto Maru is a dwarf green witch's broom. And here we go. Oh, look at that. This is a pretty big one. So I have been running around the yard, well, maybe not running around the yard, but walking around the yard, deciding where to plant a lot of the Japanese maples that have been in planters. However, this one I got specifically for a planter because it is hardy down to zone 5. It's hardy zones 5 to 9, and we're in zone 7A, so I can actually keep this in a planter outside, which is really, really nice. It stays small also. So let me tell you the information that I have here on Koto Maru. Koto Maru, I love the color of. So in the spring, it's going to come out a lemony, yellow greenish color, but it has a red margin around the edge, which is gorgeous. It's then going to turn green later on through the summer, and then bright red again in the fall. In fact, I can tell just on like one little leaf like this that has that red coming. The bright red, then it's going to drop all of its leaves. But because it can stay in my planters, I can keep it up here on the deck, keep an eye on it. It will be fabulous. Now, in about 10 years, it gets to be 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. And that is perfect. It can live probably its whole life with me in a pot, and that's what I am looking for. So thank you to Mr. Maple for doing a great job shipping out another plant. We have to get it to stand up straight again, but it can sit right here on my deck and I can keep an eye on it. I also want to point out a couple fabulous fall colors here. One is this beautiful red coral bark. This is winter red. It just dropped its leaves like last night, and look, the bark is already turning this bright red. I love coral barks. This is just beautiful. The other thing I want to show you are these two planters behind me. This is our weeping type of hydrangea. It's a cascading hydrangea, and this one is called Fresco. Fairy tale fresco. Now they will bloom at all the node points down the entire stem. They didn't bloom this year because they were new, but they've grown a lot. But I did not know they were going to get such pretty foliage before they defoliated. So that was a really nice surprise when I came out this morning. So I'm going to go drop these in the shed, find a place to keep my Koto Maru. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.